Guys, it's Big Doc 100 and we're gonna spin the generator. So 9 comments. Two. So we're gonna go all the way down. 1. Okay, that is okay. Okay. winner+Nature Archway. Wait, are you supposed to go like start at the end and then count these, or are you start at the top and then count them down? Okay, both of them are nature archways. 1, 2. 1, 2. This one's okay. Yeah. So I am gonna give away a frozen nature archway. So in the comments, write your username, member status, and your reason. And this giveaway will end May 20th, so you only have 10 days. So hurry up, because I'm going to give away a frozen nature archway. Or maybe a flower. I don't know. I like the frozen one, so I'm going to give away a flower one. Or maybe a frozen. I don't know. But you might give away, yeah, so well guys, thanks for watching. As always, I'm Big Doc 100. Please subscribe. Bye guys.